Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on Viber. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up a Vibrant application on the desktop. You can also do this on your mobile device. Now simply select a contact that you'd like to send a bold text message to from a chat list. As I opened up this conversation over here, go to the message box at the bottom of the screen and type in your message. But remember to put in an asterisk sign right before you type in your message. Now typing the message that you'd like to send, close it off with another asterisk sign and you can see the text turn into bold. Simply send a message like you normally do by tapping on the send button. As you can see that you sent a bold text message to one of your contacts. If you want to compare with a regular text message, let me type in a message over here and send it to the contact. As you can see that bold text message looks a bit different from the regular one. That is how you can easily send bold text messages on Viber, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up or the back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.